Apple is going wild with the new AirPods Max 2. The new headphone will feature an improved Bluetooth connectivity, motion and fitness tracker, ear recognition system, and a better battery performance feature.
I want to get my hands on that.
You can even enjoy listening to your favorite sounds even in the rain. Let's delve deeper into these and other features, design, price, and release date of the Apple AirPods Max 2. Apple AirPods Max 2? It is no news that Apple is planning to upgrade the current AirPods Max to a new AirPods Max 2. Various trusted sources have all hinted at this upcoming upgrade. Some even speculated that the device was scheduled to be released in the later part of 2022. Obviously, that was not the case.
It's unfortunate.
Yeah, unfortunate.
So when will it be released then? Stick with us if you want to know when the Apple AirPods Max 2 will be hitting the market. However, Mark Gurman reports that Apple is only recently caught up with demand for the product, and it is not currently working on a second generation of the AirPods Max, though it has discussed launching additional color variations in the future. Contrary to that, some patents are already showing a new design of the Apple AirPods Max 2 case, a clear indication that a new Apple AirPods Max is underway. Let's look at how the Apple AirPods Max 2 will look. Design. The design of the AirPods Max 2 will not be too different from the Apple AirPods Max. It will have the same overhead design with two huge ear pads to fully immerse you into every bit of the sound you are listening to. Does that suggest the price will be the same as the iPod Max?
I don't think so.
If not, will the additional amount be worth it? To answer this question, we have apportioned a whole section to discuss the price of the Apple AirPods Max 2. Keep watching. You'll soon find out. Mark Gurman reports that there will be new colors which might be different from the debuting space gray, silver, green, pink, and sky blue colors of the Apple AirPods Max.
More spectacular colors.
Another design change we might see in the AirPods Max 2 will be the replacement of the digital crown button with an all-new touch control system. Rumors suggest that Apple originally planned to include this feature in the debuting AirPods Max. However, this target wasn't achieved probably because Apple couldn't get the idea right. If Apple is still working on this touch control system idea, then it is likely we would have it in the AirPods Max 2. Lastly, the case of the Apple AirPods Max 2 will be redesigned into a fully enclosed case held by magnets.
A patent today was approved for a headphone case that basically works like most other headphone cases. It's a hard shell case that protects the whole headphone, but instead of zippers, Apple's using magnets and a clasp at the top of the case.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our family of Apple lovers. We're here to serve you with all the latest news about Apple and its products. You can rely on us. Features. The Apple AirPods Max 2 will have most of the existing features in the Apple AirPods Max, such as active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive EQ, conversation boost, spatial audio, etc. It could also feature an ultra-wideband connectivity, fitness tracking and motion sensors, Bluetooth 6.0 for better connectivity, and a better battery performance. There would also be a new left and right recognition feature that would be able to detect and play the right sound for your ear, even if you interchange the left earbud for the right.
Wow.
There would also be a new waterproof feature courtesy of the additional IPX7 waterproof system. This feature will make the Apple AirPods Max 2 waterproof up to 1 meter, meaning you could even swim with your headset on. Lastly, there are suggestions that the Apple AirPods Max 2 will feature a new USB-C port in accordance with the new EU regulations. We'll have to wait till the device is released to find out how true or not this is. That leads us to the next point, the release date.
Let's go find out.
Release date. So far, there have not been any official comments from Apple suggesting the release date of the AirPod Max 2. We can only rely on suggested dates by tipsters. For example, a number of tipsters believe that Apple will release the AirPods in early 2023, possibly the first quarter, whereas others report that it'll be released in the later part of 2023, probably between June and December. The exact date for the release might not be known yet, but so far all suggestions point to 2023. Moreover, it's been more than 2 years since Apple released the original AirPods Max, in December 2020. If truly Apple is working on an updated version, then there is a higher possibility that it'll be released this year. Price. Again, there's no official word from Apple about the price of the 2023 AirPod Max 2. However, taking clues from the pricing history of Apple over the years, it is highly possible the AirPod Max 2 will not be any cheaper than the $549 price tag of the AirPod Max, which many consider to be overpriced.
Too expensive.
Comparing it to the M1 iPad Air, which costs only $50 more and offers better technology, the half a $1,000 price of the AirPods Max is a bit ridiculous. Apple should reconsider the pricing of the AirPods Max 2 if it seeks to attract more purchases. Do you think the performance and features of the AirPods Max justifies its price? Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Just like the AirPods Max 2, these Apple Watch Ultra bands are just lit. What if I told you you could even match the colors of your AirPods Max 2 with that of your Apple Watch Ultra band? Click on the link to watch and select your favorite from the list of these Apple Watch bands. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.